When I draw, I usually have my reference open on a tablet. Some of you were curious how I set it up, so I thought of making a reel around it. At first, when I would work on my standing easel, I would hold my tablet for long hours, and that became very difficult. So I thought about getting a tablet holder with a floor stand. But I also did not want to clutter my studio space because I already have a lot going on with my softbox lights. So I searched for an alternative and I came across a very handy holder with a clip, which I think is really useful, and I'll give you a quick demonstration of that in this reel. Basically, it looks like this. It has a clamp with rubber anti-skid material to prevent slipping. There are two balls connected to the adjustable knobs for tilt control. And this is where you would mount your tablet. Now you can simply clamp it to your easel board to any side that you prefer. Then mount the iPad, choose your orientation, adjust the height, and play around with the angle. If you work from a table easel, you'll find this holder equally helpful. It frees up more room on the table and doesn't take up space on the easel. I'll link the product in the caption below. I hope you found this reel helpful. Don't forget to like and share it with anyone who could benefit from this.